In this video, we're going to go over the advanced integration of the notification settings, sending the lead to an SMS system or sending the lead to an email autoresponder like Aweber, for example. Now, to do that, you're going to have to create some URLs here. To send it to an SMS system, just put the domain to your system, the folder, and the file that is capturing the data. And now we want to create our variables. That system should request or should tell you what the variables that are required. So if you wanted to do name, you just do name equals, and then you see here there's some percent name percent. I'll copy that, I'll paste it, and then you do and then you want the phone. Let's say they wanted the variable phone, F-O-N-E, and then you do percent phone percent, and then you do an and symbol again, and then let's say you want to capture their email, you do email equals percent email percent, and now we've created our autoresponder. When someone comes through the registration, it'll automatically ping this URL and automatically fill this data with the customer's data so your server can accept the information that's being transferred over to them. To do this for an autoresponder like Aweber, first thing you want to do is grab your raw code. There is a little bit of work here. We tried previously to create auto detection scripts, and they just never work because these companies constantly evolve with the way they structure their URLs, and it's almost tough for us to keep up. So there's a little work involved, and once you do one, it's probably going to be cut plug and play for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my notepad here, and I got my Aweber form code. Now when doing email autoresponders, always grab the raw form code. Don't grab the JS form code. You always want the raw. So to construct this URL here, just come in here, grab the action URL, and sometimes that'll be missing an HTTP colon. If it's missing that, always add that, because some browsers will look like that. When they give you the form code, always add the HTTP in front of it. So now there's our action URL. Now we want to start plugging in the variables. Now in our form here, we have our hidden form fields, so we want to add these. So we do meta tracking. We do equals, custom form, and then you want to do the and sign, and then you want to do meta message equals 1, and then you want to do meta required. Most cases you don't need all of these, as long as you can grab the ID of the actual form. Like in the meta tracking, this might have a number here, so you're going to put that number that appeared in that form here, and this might be your custom ID. But more importantly, you want to try to cover as much of ours as possible. Grab the name, do percent name percent. That way it'll automatically fill in that data when it sends it to Aweber. And then we want to do our email. Percent email percent. And you want to do the and sign again. Custom color, we don't need that. That should be enough information that Aweber would require for data to be passed to them. And when you're done, just click on save. And now anytime somebody registers, it's automatically going to send them to Aweber, the email autoresponder. With that said, always make sure you set up your autoresponders inside Aweber, so after the webinar, they can be dripped either the replay URL or any additional sales page information that you want. And this concludes the video on advanced integration with Ultimate Closing Machine.